Alright guys, it's the next day here and we are going riding. Got the bikes loaded up. Let's go make sure. Pull down pretty good. Should be good to go.
My horn stopped working. You want pictures?
Alright, we're about to go eat McDonald's and we're gonna go ride. Look both ways, children.
His face.
Yeah. Perfect. See, this is how people get run over.
Big step.
Oh yeah. Dude, that is legit. Check that out, YouTube. Okay, let's go. We got a ride. Caleb, you riding back there?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright. Alright, so we're here at Rural Blue today. Getting ready to ride. Position. So today is Caleb's first time at Rural Blue. Showing him around today. I hope he enjoys it. Looks like he's having a ball right now. Changed that much. Still a giant rut there. We'll hang out with Mikey for right now. Right with the old 400EX. Greatest sport quad on the planet. Whoa.
been riding like 20 minutes. My arms are on fire.
I know.
We'll sit here and chill and let them get ahead of us.
Yeah.
Because like I literally can't ride my bike like this. I can literally feel it. It's like burning my legs.
Yeah, we'll see it. Let them get a little bit ahead so we can just kind of cruise.
Lost already.
Yeah, I see you. You having fun?
Dude, I'm doing good.
Yeah, you doing good.
As far as like fun, it's like I prefer to be in the front of the pack since you know what I mean. I need the most room because if I stall, I'm borderline.
You're
But then if they stop in front of me, there's a good chance I'm gonna stall anyway. Like Toto would keep going fast and slowing down. I know it's not his fault, it's the trail, you know what I mean? But I gotta stay extra cautious when there's people in front of me.
Oh yeah.
Let's roll down here and see what we're looking at.
Huh?
This ain't bad.
Nah, it ain't.
I'll meet you over there if you wanna go ahead and go.
All right. I think Caleb stalled out.
Just a little bit.
What? What'd you do?
Handlebar lever right here.
Yeah.
So my clutch doesn't want to go out all the way.
Yeah.
And I bent my gear shifter just a little bit.
Ooh.
I did not realize this was gonna be that bad. I took up this curve hauling right here.
Ooh.
Crashed it twice.
Let's get you moved, I guess.
I can breathe.
Okay. Okay, finally got the 250F started.
My four-wheeler's up.
Well, hopefully that's the end of our problems for today. Just watch, I'll be the last one to break down. It'll be the worst of them all. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna get hit, and this isn't good. Hopefully nobody hits me. And I have my goggles on. I've been dusted out. 10 minutes. I'm getting tired of it. So we're here at the power line for a nice deep mud hole. Holy crap! Hello there! This motherfucker.
Love fest caused Caleb to wreck.
What happened here? Well, these two lovebirds were holding hands on four wheelers. You zoomed by them. I got tired of eating dust. I went to fly by him. He swerved in front of me. I hit him about 35, 40 mile an hour. Slung me in the bushes. I look like Superman. Yeah, we'll get some of this damage here.
It was an accident though.
Bent
Oh,
handlebars,
rash.
got some
Yeah.
scuffs. Broke my clutch lever.
I mean, at least you're wearing gloves though.
Always
Yeah.
a plus.
Whenever Dylan.
Bobby Joe
kids-
special, got the gloves.
when Dylan
down
was
the
kids, he
valley,
didn't have-
Hit him up.
Hit him up. Yeah.
he had-
Featuring you in this video, Bobby Joe.
It was-
I want 50% off on the handlebars.
Tell him it was an accident.
I think it was an accident.
That'll work.
Could have been prevented
Could
though.
have been prevented.
I gotta
It was an
compromise. I
accident.
gotta make you look kind of like a bad guy.
I'll take it.
Well, camera's about to die, so we're just gonna cut the video here, I guess. Thanks for watching today.
Edit
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Come back and see us next week, all right?